Hi everyone, welcome back to another math lesson. Today we are going to be working on subtraction word problems. So just like yesterday, you are going to need a piece of paper and you can use crayons or a pencil to help solve your problem. So go ahead and get those materials ready and pause the video, and then when you have those materials, you can unpause the video and we will get started. Just like yesterday, I'm going to work through the first problem with you, and I really want you to be a detective again and look for those key words. And remember that we are doing subtraction problems today. So our first problem says, Miss Smith baked a plate of 15 cookies. During the day, she ate 6 cookies. How many cookies are left? All right, so did you hear a key word or phrase in there that tells us what we need to do? If you said how many cookies are left, gave us a clue, you're right. That statement, how many cookies are left, is telling us that we need to subtract. That how many are left always is going to have you subtract. So now I need to look for my numbers that I'm going to subtract. So Miss Smith baked a plate of 15 cookies. Well, I know that in a subtraction problem, I always need to start with the largest number. So the greatest number is going to be the number that you are subtracting from, which is 15. So on your paper, you can draw 15 circles or 15 dots or 15 lines. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have my 15 circles drawn. If you don't have yours drawn, you can pause the video and continue drawing. So then it says, during the day, she ate 6 cookies. So what do I need to do with that information? Am I going to add 6 more, or am I going to subtract 6 more? Good, I'm going to subtract 6 cookies. So you need to take your pencil, pen, or crayon, and you're going to cross out 6. So let me cross mine out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's asking me how many are left. So I need to count. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 cookies left. So now, of course, we need to write a number sentence. So our number sentence for a subtraction problem always starts with the biggest number. So our number that we had before was 15. 15 minus, and we subtracted 6, 6 equals 9. There were 9 left over. Good job. Okay, let's get ready for the next problem. Okay, our next problem is about Miss Schwartz. So let's read. Miss Schwartz and her family were eating a birthday cake. There were 10 slices of the cake. At the end of the party, there were 3 slices left. How many slices did they eat? All right, did you hear any key words or phrases that told you what to do? Good. The last sentence that says, how many slices did they eat? That's telling us that we need to do some sort of subtraction. But another clue that I saw was where it said, at the end of the party, there were 3 slices left. There's that word left again. That's telling us that we need to subtract. So let's work out our problem. What is our biggest number that we are subtracting? 10. So you need to add 10 circles or dots, whatever you're doing on your paper. And I added 10 nice and easily here, thanks to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this one is a missing addend problem because it says it's wanting to know how many slices they ate, but we're still going to solve it the same way. So at the end of the party, there were 3 slices left. How many do I need to cross out? Yes, I need to cross out 3. So take your pencil or crayon and let's cross out 3 together. 1, 2, 3. How many slices did they eat? Well, now we know that all the ones that are left here are the ones that they ate. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They ate 7 slices. Now we need to write our number sentence. Take our biggest number first, which is 10. Do our minus symbol. And then how many slices did we cross out? We crossed out 3. And then equals 7. Now you could also write this another way. You could also write it as 10 minus 7 equals 3. And you'll have the right answer for both. All right, let's get ready for the next one. For this next problem, I'm going to read you the problem, and then I want you to solve this all by yourself, and then we will go over it together. So the problem is, Miss Lee bought her dog Sherlock 12 bones. Sherlock hid 8 bones. How many bones are left? So listen for those words, those important words that tell you what you're supposed to do. Miss Lee bought her dog Sherlock 12 bones. Sherlock hid 8 bones. How many bones are left? All right, so now what you're going to do is pause the video and then you are going to solve the problem. When you are done solving the problem, unpause the video and then let's check our work together. Let's check our work. If you are not done, you need to pause that video and continue working. And if you are done, you can listen. So Miss Lee bought her dog Sherlock 12 bones. Sherlock hid 8 bones. How many are left? Well, that word left is telling me that I need to subtract. And I always subtract starting with the largest number. So I'm going to put out 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yours should look somewhat similar to mine. Now Sherlock hid 8 bones. So I'm going to take my pen, pencil, or crayon, and I'm going to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bones are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I think I forgot to tell you to write a number sentence, but hopefully you did. So let's do it together if you didn't. My number that I started with was 12. And I subtracted 8. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. If you did this, you are awesome. Let's get ready for the next problem. Our next problem is, there were 20 mochi ice cream in a box. Mrs. Salamanca's family ate 6. How many are left in the box? So listen to this one more time because you're going to do this by yourself. There were 20 mochi ice cream in a box. Mrs. Salamanca's family ate 6. How many are left in the box? So you're going to pause the video, solve the problem, and don't forget your number sentence. Unpause the video after you have solved it. Okay, let's check our work. So there were 20 mochi ice cream in a box. So I'm going to put 20. Here's 10. And here is 20. 10, 20. Mrs. Salamanca's family ate 6, so you should have crossed out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left in the box? Well, now I'm going to count what is left over, and hopefully you remembered yesterday my trick. So there's already 10 here, so I can just say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 left. And your number sentence should look like this. 20 minus 6 equals 14. Good job. Proud of you. All right, one more problem after this. Okay, this is our last problem. You're going to do this one by yourself and then check your work. There were 18 birds on a fence. 9 of the birds flew away. How many birds are still on the fence? I'm going to read it one more time. There were 18 birds on a fence. 9 of the birds flew away. How many birds are still on the fence? Pause the video, solve the problem, and write your number sentence, and then unpause the video when you are ready to check your work. Okay, let's check our work. So there were 18 birds on the fence. So I'm going to put 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I'm putting 18 first because that's the largest number, and I know that this is a subtraction sentence because it told me that the birds flew away, and it's wanting to know how many are left. So now I need to cross out 9 because 9 flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Crossed out 9. Now I need to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And I was also able to figure that out because I know my doubles. And I know that 9 plus 9 equals 18. All right, great job, guys. I'm so proud of your hard work. After this, you are going to go on to Seesaw, and you are going to solve some subtraction word problems all by yourself. I cannot wait to see your work, and as always, the first grade teachers are so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. Bye.